You've got a PDF, but you need a PowerPoint. And you're thinking, do I really have to copy everything manually, slide by slide? Absolutely not. In this video, I'll show you how to convert any PDF into a fully structured PowerPoint presentation in just one click. Free, fast, and without losing your formatting. Stay with me. Let's be real. Manually transferring content from a PDF into PowerPoint is a nightmare. You copy the text, paste it in, and suddenly the fonts are wrong, the spacing is broken, and your slides look completely unprofessional. Then you spend another hour trying to fix it all. And the worst part? You didn't even need to do any of that work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert your PDF into a clean, structured, presentation-ready PowerPoint file in seconds. No manual work, no formatting headaches, just results. The tool I'm using today is VelaPDF. And yes, it's completely free. No account required, no watermarks, no subscriptions. Just go to the website and start converting. VelaPDF has a whole range of PDF tools: merge, split, compress, convert. But today, we're zeroing in on the one that's going to save you the most time: PDF to PowerPoint. Let me show you exactly how it works. All right, I'm on the VelaPDF website. First thing, look for the PDF to PowerPoint tool on the home page and click it. Now click Upload File and select the PDF you want to convert. I'm uploading my file right now. You can see it loading. Once your file is uploaded, hit the Convert button. Now just give it a few seconds while it processes your document. And there it is. Your PowerPoint file is ready. Click Download and it saves straight to your device. That's the entire process. Upload, convert, download. 3 steps, no complexity, no confusion, no cost. VelaPDF handles everything in the background, so you don't have to. Now, here's the part I love showing people, the before and after. Here's my original PDF. See the layout, the headings, the content blocks, the structured sections? Now watch, here's the converted PowerPoint. Look at that. The slides are properly separated. Each section has become its own slide. The content is structured, readable, and clean. The formatting is maintained. Headings where they should be, body text where it belongs. This is not some rough, ugly conversion. This is a presentation-ready file that you can open in PowerPoint or Google Slides and start using immediately, or make a few quick tweaks and it's done. That's the power of using the right tool. Now, before you go and convert every PDF you own, let me give you 3 tips that will make your results even better. Tip number 1, use well-structured PDFs. If your PDF has clear headings, subheadings, and organized sections, the conversion will be much cleaner and more accurate. A chaotic, unorganized PDF will give you a chaotic, unorganized PowerPoint, so start with something structured. Tip number 2, avoid heavily image-based PDFs if you want editable slides. If your PDF is mostly graphics, charts, or scanned images, the text may not come through as editable content. For best results, use PDFs that are text-based and digitally created, not scanned documents. Tip number 3, always review your slides after conversion. Spend 2 minutes going through each slide, checking alignment, font sizes, and content flow. Minor touch-ups in PowerPoint take almost no time, and they'll make your presentation from good to great. So there you have it, PDF to PowerPoint, completely free in literally seconds, using VelaPDF. No more copy-pasting, no more broken formatting, no more wasted hours on manual work. Just upload, convert, download, and your presentation is ready. The link to VelaPDF is right there in the description below. Go try it right now. It's 100% free and takes less than a minute. If this video saved you time, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It helps more people find this video and discover tools that actually work. And if you want more tutorials on free tools that make your work faster and easier, subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more coming. Now, go convert that PDF and make something great. See you in the next one.